This is Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And today we're working on adding photos and images into your site. And when you add the photos and images, it makes your website brighter and easier to read and not so boring. And as I see here, a lot of mine you'll see have videos on there. And the videos is the graphic image too, in the ways you see the whatever is showing there to start with. And so on the pages that have videos, I don't really add graphics unless it's there for a specific purpose, to show something, to teach something. But in my other websites, I often have videos on them. I mean, not videos, but here's an example here. And it just kind of brings it out, makes it show up more. Okay, what we're here for is how to add these images into your website. Now, it's going to work the same way on a post page as on a blog page. You can add them the same way. Now, right now, we're going to be adding an image to a blog. So first, we're going to put the cursor right up here at the front because we're going to have this image this time be at the very front of the page. And then we're going to click on this little button up here, Upload Insert, and you see the little image button. I'm going to click on it. Okay, and here you can add media files from your computer. Or if you have another website or something and you have a URL and you just want to connect to that, you can do that there. And there's also a media library. And the media library lets you add images that you already have saved on your website somewhere. So if you've got a picture that you want to use more than one place, you can go back in there, you can find it and use it. We're going to pick from the computer. Select Files. And it helps if you remember when you save the file, the picture, photo, image. Make sure you know what folder you're putting it in, where it's saved, so you can go back and find it again. Anyway, we're going to upload Magnolia here. Click Open. Okay, as it got through crunching, then it opens up the picture we have here. And we're going to go ahead and put a name on the title and the alternate text. This helps with the search engines, especially have it on the alternate text. And this also helps. You have those who have screen readers. Maybe they're blind, but they still use the internet, but they can't see the picture, but they can read the text telling you what the picture was about, and that helps them. It also helps if what you're using for your title of your image or the text had to do with what it was your subject was. If I was doing a post about magnolia trees and talking about them, this would be very helpful, post an image that way. I'm going to go ahead. You can link your image to anything you want to link to by putting the address right here, or you can leave it like this, and it will actually, when someone clicks on the photo, they'll see the full-size image. So if you have a smaller image and you left that there, and they click on it, they're going to see the full-size image, which is cool too. In this case, I'm not going to have a link. I'm going to go ahead and let the image stay centered, and I'm going to go ahead and use full size. That's the size that I want there. I could click and have a different size. That's fine. And I'm going to go ahead and click Insert Post. Okay, and there you can see it's on the post. It did not go the place I wanted to go. It was because I had moved the mouse while I was working on this, and I got it in the wrong spot, but that's okay, that can be fixed. I'm going to go to you can do two things. You can go here, and you can delete the image, which is quite easy to do. Got my mouse back up there at the very top, and we're going to go ahead and add image. We hit the gallery tab to pull it up from the gallery, hit show, and now again we're going to hit insert into post. Now if you want to see this image and see what it looks like, to see whether it looks the way you wanted it to look, you can actually click on the preview post button. This photo did not end up where I wanted it. It's not going to work well that way for me. So I'm going to go back and move it to the right place. And we'll be right back with more on images.